Okay, the last prize. The last prize goes to. Okay, who wants the prize? Come on. Call your number. Call your number. Call your number. Who wants to pick? Okay, you pick. Okay, pick one number. Okay. All right, let's look at it.
What's the first digit?
Who wants the first digit to be 1? No, not 1. The first digit is 3. So all the 3. The first digit comes with 3. The second digit is
Also 3.
not 3. Second digit is 8. The second digit is 8. 38.
Silent killer.
Yeah, 38.